cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1½ sticks of room temperature butter, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, and half a vanilla bean. As always, we're going to start out with our dry ingredients first. We have 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We give it a mix. Then we're going to mix in our butter. I like doing half of it first. And we're going to put the other half. It's going to be a little clumpy, but that's okay because we haven't added any other mixtures. I like putting half of the milk at a time. I'm going to add my egg. And the rest of my milk. Now my favorite part, we're going to split the vanilla bean in half using a sharp knife. Slip. Once it's split open, we're going to scrape the inside of it. These little black seeds are the vanilla bean seeds inside. Always remember to do a little scrape on the edges just to get everything in there. Set your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Now let's line up our cupcake. Now the buttercream. I like using 1 salted stick and 1 unsalted stick. We're gonna beat it on medium speed for like 10 minutes to make it really white. Okay, 10 minutes have passed. I don't know if you can tell, but the yellow color of the butter like faded away, so it's like more white now. We are gonna sift 2 cups of powdered sugar, starting with 1 cup at a time. Put it in the strainer and sift it. Now let's start with the 2nd cup of sugar. Sift. Okay, you're gonna mix everything really good and add 3 tablespoons of heavy whipped cream. Then again, we're gonna split open our vanilla bean with a sharp knife. Split. Scrape the inside of it. And just pour it in there. Okay, everything's looking really fluffy now, so I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla with some vanilla bean. Okay, our buttercream is done. Look how pretty and fluffy it is. Those little black things is the vanilla bean that's inside. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells so good. And check out the cupcake. Oh my goodness, it's so fluffy on the inside. Oh, look how fluffy it is. I wish you guys could taste it. The frosting will probably always be my favorite part, frosting the cupcake.
Here.
Look how pretty and delicate that looks. And here are the fatties eating my cupcake. right here I'm just piping the buttercream to the cupcake. The buttercream came out very airy and white and fluffy. I really hope you guys get to try this recipe at home. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and leave me comments down below what you thought about the recipe.